Hi, in this episode of the beginner's guide, I continue with another tool, the dropper. With this tool we can pick colors from an image, keyboard shortcut F7, and to be able to assign these colors to our graphics, we need to have the object selected first. So click with the select and transform tool to select the object, and then F7 for the dropper, and just click, let's say, on this color, and the color will be assigned to our object. Now also, if you have a stroke like I have here, a black stroke to this object, I can hold down the shift key and set the color for the stroke. Another thing you can do is hold down the alt key to get the inverse color. So for example, for black that's white, for white it's black, for green it's magenta, for red it's cyan, and so on. Another thing you can do is click and drag to average color in an area. For example, if we click in the middle here and drag, I'll get a gray color. Between black and white, we're getting a gray color. Between green and red, we're getting this color. Another thing you can do is just mouse over somewhere and Control C to copy color, and then you have the color in the clipboard and you can paste it here, for example, and of course assign it to the selected object. We have two more options here: opacity, pick and assign, and by default I think both of them are on. And I'm going to select this object now and show you that here I have an object with black color but not on full opacity. If you see here, the object is not on full opacity. I'll select this one again, grab the dropper, and both of these are on now, and we'll just click here, grab this, and you see that this is black and transparent now. If I turn this one off and click here again, this will remove the transparency and assign the original color of black. If I remove this one also and click here, you see that now this object is gray but it's not transparent. We are just picking the color as we see it. So that's it for this tool and this tutorial. Like the video, subscribe, bye.